Well, welcome back to another Uncle Keith's paint shop video. And this is a great big Seat something. Arona. Seat Arona, says Mackenzie in the corner there. Oh, okay. Well, he is a VAG specialist, ain't he, obviously. But yeah, this one is blue, as you can see. And our Keith is sending it black with a liquid wrap. I did notice, Keith, that there's a pile of bits that should be on that car.
Well, originally, we're just going to do the blue, weren't we? We're just turning the blue to black. And then we're doing the trims and all the bits and bobs. So we took handles off, trims off and bits. So we're going to do the car, and then we're going to put the bumpers in the trims and do the trims.
Oh, okay. So a bit of a longer process.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that?
What is that?
It looks like a Colt to me. We'll come back to this video later.
Yeah,
We'll do a video on that, won't we?
We're doing this and then we're doing that.
Okay. That looks black to me.
And then apparently this one
is even more black.
Is black.
Even blacker.
Apparently.
Yeah, it's definitely black, mate. Right. So we're going to be spraying some black on then, is that what we're saying?
Let's hit it.
Okay.
Pour it all over the side, like I normally do. Oh, look at that.
Beauty. Okay, so on with the black.
On with the black before we put the black on.
Yeah, more black, lots of black. I wonder whether we'll see it very well.
Yeah, over quite a dark blue already. I can definitely see it's black.
Yeah, it's definitely black. Right, we shall leave Uncle Keith to it. And we'll come back and see it in a bit when it's even more black. It is a bit chilly this morning. Good morning, day 2. Check this out. It's now got its first coat of black liquid wrap. And it's all...
That's 2 coats of black of the first black.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Daytime running lights are on.
I spotted that last night. I think it's because the key's in the ignition.
Oh well, they'll be fine. They're only LEDs. Yeah, this is looking good, Keith. Already, it's definitely transformed it, hasn't it?
Yeah. Well, obviously, we've got the second, the black. The black.
Yeah. So this is black. We tried to explain this, didn't we?
Yeah.
This is black, but there's some more black.
And then there's blacker black that's going over the top of this black.
Blacker black.
Well, it definitely reads like that.
Yeah, it does.
I mean, we might find out it's
no different,
it's
but
no real different.
Well, we'll find out. But it already is transformed. It looks mega, don't it?
Yeah.
Completely different.
That's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. Right. Okay. So
You'd take it at that, wouldn't you?
I would. You know I would. Yeah. Okay. Well, we'll come back when it's a bit shiny, shall we?
We've warmed up a bit.
Yeah, it is a bit cold. Oh, well, look, here's the workshop dog. Hello. Hey up, Milo. Good morning. Okay, so it's a different black, but I'm not sure whether it does look any different.
It's like ultra black.
Ultra black.
Yeah.
Super darkness, dark black.
It
It's...
might be different when you clear coat it to when...
Yeah, so when it's got some shiny.
Yeah, you might not see it in the base. But if you lacquered one and lacquered the other, you might see the difference.
Yeah, I got you.
Is what I'm saying. Because,
It looks mean, don't it?
yeah, that looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, it really does.
So we've got to give that 20 minutes, half an hour, let that dry.
Yeah.
And then we're going to get some shiny on it. So come and grab me when I'm putting shiny on.
Yeah, let's do it. I like it like that. Just leave it like that, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll come back and see you in a bit. It is cool. A bit more shiny.
Oh yeah.
Beauty. Looking good, that, Keith. Yeah.
Shiny black.
Very shiny. What are you showing me, our kid?
Oh, it's pretty cool, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
We've obviously done the bumpers black, but we've done some chrome bits.
Yeah.
And we've blacked out the chrome bits as well. This was a textured bit, we've blacked that bit out as well.
That looks stunning, yeah.
Pretty good. And then there's some silver bits that around the length of the car, the holdings and these bits with the X on.
Yeah.
They were silver, so we blacked them out. So I think
it's going to look really smart.
Yeah, I think it'll.
It's going to really smarten that up. The rear bumper looks amazing without the chrome on it. Yeah. I'm looking forward to seeing it all built up.
Massive silver bit. That was a silver bit on the front bumper, so we blacked everything out, basically.
Yeah. Hey, you're fully branded up today. If anyone wants a Dynodaze hat or a Uncle Keith t-shirt, let me know. We can get them sold to you. Yeah, lovely.
Pretty good, wasn't it?
Yeah. So build up tomorrow then.
So all these are black textured normally, that bit's black textured, and we've colour coded it all. Yeah, I think chuck it all back together tomorrow. I think it'll look good.
And look, the bee's knees. All right, buddy.
Hey, it'll look like a different car, won't it?
Well, come on, look like a different colour. We'll come and see you tomorrow.
Yeah.
Look at that. This is completed now. Our Keith has put it back together. There's a nice Supra over there. We painted that. There's a little expert. Look at that. Beautiful, absolutely beautiful car. So we've got this Seat, and it used to be blue, as you can see, and now it's all back together, and it looks amazing. Yeah, silver bits have all gone, and well, that's exactly what the customer wanted. He wanted gloss black. He got gloss black. It actually looks a million times better. A million times better. So there we go. Yeah, it's just nice. It actually suits it much better in black. It looks more classy than it did in blue. I don't know whether that's just personal preference on colour choice or not, but yeah, it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm going to look at that Supra again. Look at that. We painted that. Absolutely beautiful car. But yeah, okay, well, thanks for getting to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll see you again for another Uncle Keith's paint shop video.
I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.